Question hook: ever wondered how much a Gemini coin is worth? It's a question that's been on the minds of many crypto enthusiasts, and today, we're going to dive deep into it. Building context. What is Gemini? Before we get into the price, let's quickly understand what Gemini is. It's a cryptocurrency exchange platform founded in 2014 by the Winklevoss twins. Gemini offers a wide range of crypto services, including buying, selling, trading, and storing various cryptocurrencies. The role of Gemini Dollar. One of Gemini's most notable offerings is the Gemini Dollar, GUSD. It's a stablecoin, pegged to the US dollar, meaning its value is directly tied to the US dollar. This stability makes it a popular choice for those looking to invest in crypto without the volatility associated with other cryptocurrencies. Factors affecting Gemini coin price. Market sentiment. The price of Gemini Dollar, like any other cryptocurrency, is influenced by market sentiment. Positive news about the crypto industry or Gemini itself can lead to a rise in price, while negative news can cause a decline. Supply and demand. The law of supply and demand also plays a significant role. If more people are buying Gemini Dollars than selling, the price tends to increase. Conversely, if more people are selling than buying, the price may decrease. Economic factors. Global economic events, such as interest rate changes or geopolitical tensions, can also impact the price of Gemini Dollar. These factors can affect the overall market sentiment and, consequently, the price of cryptocurrencies. How to check the current price. Online exchanges. The most straightforward way to check the current price of Gemini Dollar is to visit online cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like Gemini, Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken provide real-time price updates. Price tracking websites. There are also dedicated price tracking websites that specialize in cryptocurrencies. These websites often offer charts, historical data, and market analysis tools. Understanding price volatility. The nature of cryptocurrencies. It's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Prices can fluctuate significantly within a short period. This volatility is inherent to cryptocurrencies and is primarily driven by factors mentioned earlier. Risk management. If you're considering investing in Gemini Dollar or other cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Diversification, proper research, and risk management strategies can help mitigate these risks. Conclusion. Recap. In conclusion, the price of Gemini Dollar is influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, supply and demand, and economic conditions. You can easily check the current price on online exchanges or price tracking websites. However, it's essential to be aware of the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Gemini Dollar or other cryptocurrencies, I encourage you to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll explore other aspects of the crypto world. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.